time casting clear coat resin. Or clear cast resin. Oh, they do pop out easily. So I tried to use, I used two colors, well, obviously the clear, and then I added an amber and a brown, and I didn't mix them in the cup. I just put drops on the mold while it was still wet, and just used a wooden stick. So now that I'm getting my fingerprints all over it, but you can see right there, that's one of the claws that I put in. Actually, there's two, so you should, there. Oh, it's kind of hard with the light, but there's some gold leaf and the claws that so I tried making it look sort of like a fossil. That was my vision. Or focus, I guess not. That's a big one. Try another big one. So it came out pretty cool. And again, it might just be because the light is reflecting, but there's a couple specks of the owl pellet findings. That's what I put in here. That one you can see is right there on that edge. So it might be a little hard to see. Let me move them a little bit closer. And then maybe you can see those claws there. Yeah, so I'll try to take pictures and it'll hopefully show up these swirly patterns better.